Hey fanatics, it's Sasha and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, we are going to be talking about beauty on a budget. So let's talk about foundation first. I absolutely love the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, but for those who want a foundation for the fraction of the price, let's go for this beautiful L'Oreal Infallible 32-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is the same exact foundation by L'Oreal, but it is up to 32-hour, which is incredible, and it's also lightweight, full coverage, and it's just gorgeous. It has sunscreen SPF 25 in it. Great for the sun. So this is definitely a go-to of mine. Next, let's talk about mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara, and the price is incredible. It is only $18. It's the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, voluminous and waterproof. I'm wearing it right now on my eyes. Look at this. Amazing, right? It separates the lashes perfectly, gives the volume you need and the length. Next, for a perfect lip liner, this is by Makeup Forever. This is my favorite lip liner, and it's not expensive whatsoever. It's only $24. I know other lip liners that could go up to $30, $40, but this is only $24, and it's incredible. I got it from Sephora. You could also get it at like CVS, I think, but it's amazing. Glides on so easily, and they're in multiple shades. And I have it on my lips right now. Now let's talk about setting powder. For those who want to set, well, who don't want to, who have to set their foundation, their concealer, setting your face is a must to get rid of that unwanted shine and to set your face so the makeup lasts all day. My go-to pressed powder is by L'Oreal, and this is what it looks like. It's perfect. It's like a translucent powder, but it also comes in multiple shades. So many shades by L'Oreal. That could be a great dupe for the Prada translucent powder. And the Prada translucent powder looks like this. I hope you guys love these budget-friendly products. And remember, feeling beautiful doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's just about feeling confident and happy with yourself.